So, Abhay, do you see the identity question and the issue of consumer trust linked as key issues?
Oh, absolutely. You cannot look at them as two isolated problems. We take user identity extremely seriously from a privacy perspective, from a data protection perspective. Yet, we also respect that the consumers have a right to access the content for free. They have been they need better quality content, whether it is the video that they are watching or be it the ads. They have the right to be served a good quality content.
In your view, is the industry doing enough to support privacy?
I think the intent is there, Geoff, but what I probably see as an issue is the pace of it, which I think is true for any sort of an effort that where you need to bring many different stakeholders together on the same page and try to come up with some standard that works. And at the same point in time, I think the industry bodies are also very aware. They've seen some examples of regulations just leading to the walls being raised higher. So that's what industry is also worried about, that we don't want a scenario where you come up with some sort of a standard and it just gives a legitimate reason for the walled gardens to raise their walls even higher, and then what are we left with?